Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're safe and having a fantastic day. In today's video, we'll show you how we created these simple vases. These can be used as a glam centerpiece in your home or a great gift idea. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. And to all of our returning subscribers, thanks for watching another DIY video. So let's get into it. For the first DIY, I will be decorating this small vase I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I actually love the color and the shape of the vase, and to be honest guys, I wasn't sure how I was going to decorate it, but I decided to add some gems which I also purchased from the Dollar Tree to complete the look. So I started by putting gems around the top edge of the vase and secure it with hot glue in E6000. I'm applying a small amount of hot glue to avoid any spillage and just clean up any glue strands as I go along. I then added a second row of gems to the top, and also you want to take your time when applying the glue just to ensure less cleanup. And then I also applied the gems down the center following the design of the vase, and then just cut off the excess at the bottom. And here is how the first vase turned out, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. For the second DIY, I decided to use the same vase and design it with a different adhesive gem from the Dollar Tree. I really loved the first design and decided to create another one. I will also be securing it with hot glue and E6000. So here is the first row completed on the vase, guys, and sometimes also I will place the gems on my vase first to get an idea of how much I will need, and then I secure it with hot glue. But this step is optional. You can actually put your gems and put your glue on at the same time, or you can actually measure your gems first and then hot glue them on. Okay, and now I'm going to add the rest of the gems onto the vase. So here's the finished look of the second vase. For her third DIY, I wasn't sure how I was going to decorate this vase, but I decided to use this adhesive glitter ribbon to create my design. I decided to wrap the ribbon around the vase to the bottom, and I didn't actually use any hot glue to secure it because the adhesive was enough to hold it into place. Now I'm adding the ribbon around the top of the vase and the bottom as well, and I'm going to just cut off the excess ribbon at the bottom. And here is how it looks so far. I decided to add some rhinestone wrap to the top and the bottom of my vase. And as you can see, there was a small gap, so I added a small gem just to close it up. And later on, I decided to add some rhinestone to the rest of my vase just to complete my look. I later decided to add some rhinestone wrap to the center of the vase. And here is a complete look of all three vases. I think they all turned out beautiful and glam. Let us know in the comment which vase is your favorite. All three vases will be available on our website very soon. Make sure to follow us on Instagram when we announce our store opening. I hope you enjoy watching this week's video. Please like, comment, and share. And as always, be safe and may God bless.